Hello and welcome to another Trains app, and today we're at Glasgow Queen Street. I haven't got a clue which line this is. I'm going to assume it's just one of the many Scottish main lines. Well, actually, technically it's the main line between Edinburgh and Glasgow Central. So you're just going to purely be seeing services by Abellio Scotrail. There's 156439. That's off to Anniesland. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm not too sure. Right, and we have a few trains to get through here. Here we have 17431, and then we have 17401. Now, 17401 is special in one regard. It's the name of the app's name of the YouTuber Scotrail 17401. So it's always going to be good to catch her. So there we are. We're all up to date. It's a nice looking station. This nice canopy. It's not too cramped. It's not too busy. It's just right. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, 17401 is departing. I believe this may be an ECS movement. Maybe ECS, I may be wrong. No, it's actually forming a service to somewhere. Not too sure where though. Well, I have no idea where 17401's going. This could be Dundee, Aberdeen, Inverness, Earth. It could be anywhere. Alright then, the next train to depart is going to be the 1430 Abellio Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverley with 17431. Okay, the next train to arrive is a terminating service from Edinburgh Waverley. It's one of their turbo stars. It's 17425. Okay, the next train to arrive is another terminating service from Edinburgh Waverley. It's 17457. All these trains seem to be absolutely heaving. This is a really nice chat with the friendly policeman. If anything, he was more surprised about how far we've travelled. That's what I like about this place. Everyone here is just really friendly, and they just want to get to know you, find out where you come from, what you're up to. It's brilliant. All right, and sneaking in, we have 156447. This one's rather empty. Okay, and after a really quick turnaround, 17457 is about ready to depart with the 1445 Abellio Scotrail service to Edinburgh-Waverley. Any minute now. Okay, and the next train to arrive is another terminating Abellio Scotrail service from Edinburgh-Waverley. So another one of their turbo stars. This is 17450. I never could quite understand why you'd have first class on these type of trains. This is going to be a bit of a tight fit. Lovely. Okay, so we have another turbo star coming in here. Eastfield HS this is coming in from. It's 17396. Well, this could very well have originated from Edinburgh, seeing as there are passengers on board. Oh, it's doubled up. Right, in which case then I missed the numbers completely. Oh, it'd be 370. Yeah, 173.95. Alright then. Yeah. You know, I never remember else you could do that. Proves what I know. Okay, the next train to depart is going to be the 1448 Abellio Scotrail service to Edinburgh-Waverley. It's 174.25. This is a brilliant little station. Okay, the next train to depart is going to be the 1556 Abellio Scotrail service to Ansland.
As passengers please make your way to Glasgow Street, where the bus service is departing. Thank you.
156447. Okay, the next train to depart is going to be the 1500 Abellio Scotrail service to Edinburgh-Waverley with 173.95 taking it away. With 396 on the rear. Hey, 395 and 396. Okay, the next train to arrive is another terminating service from Edinburgh-Waverley. So another one of the turbos. It's 174.17. In its old school livery.
The next train to depart from platform 1 will be the 1512 Scotrail service to Aberdeen, Collins, Lithgow, Inverkeithing, Dundee, Euston, Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
And that would be that. Okay, the next train to arrive is a terminating service from Annie's Land, sorry. Abellio Scotrail 156, it's 156439. Okay, and also get rid of this, it's going to be the 1512 Abellio Scotrail service to Aberdeen with 174.50.
Next train to depart from platform 2 will be the 1515 Scotrail service to Edinburgh, Collins, High, Collins, Lithgow, Newmarket and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1515 Scotrail service to Edinburgh.
Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be the 1515 Abellio Scotrail service to Edinburgh-Waverley. In your own time. That looks promising. It's 174.17. Okay, and as she powers on up the incline out of the tunnel, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get opportunities to. Really enjoyed filming here at Glasgow Queen Street. I know this is second level underneath it, so that's probably where you catch all the electrics. But for a short little hour here, it's been quite nice. You get countless Edinburgh-Waverley services turning up. Then you get your 156s operating the Annie's Land services. Then you'll have that service bound for Aberdeen. So a nice little plethora of locations for the trains to come down to. And it's just a really nice station. It's been, you can probably tell, it's been refurbished. The catenary is all clean. The platforms are new. Everything about this station is just brilliant. You've got the old style bridge there, just in front of the station. All in all, I think it's absolutely fantastic. I can't fault this station whatsoever. So my next film is going to be from London Euston, the southernmost terminus of the West Coast Mainline. And joining me today was Scouse Transporter 1999. I do highly encourage you all to go and check out his channel. He has some excellent content all there for you to watch. So, until next time, from me here at Glasgow Queen Street, one of the terminuses of the Edinburgh to Glasgow Mainline, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.